Hi guys, we are gonna get started with a 15-minute sculpt bar class. You need a mat, a medium set of weights. Bring your feet wide. I'm gonna start with a little warm up with the shoulders up and back. Take them up, take them back. Just getting energy into your body, warming up. Let's take a big inhale right here. Inhale up, exhale, take it down. One more time. Inhale, take it up, take it down. Bring the hands to the center. Squat, press up, squat, press up. Inhale and exhale. Starting to feel the energy in the space around you. We're here for 2. Take a little pulse in 1. Hold it low and drop. Pulse. Zip up your core, shoulders down. Just designed to get the upper body moving. Good, stay here. 4, 3, 2, folded over those legs in 1. Big stretch. Let your head hang heavy, shake it yes. Shake it no. Take a soften your knees. Start to roll up, rebuild your spine all the way to the top. Head is the last to lift. Bring those hands out to the side, arms long. Little press down, press. Press. Feel energy out your fingertips. Good, y'all. Face those palms to the front. Big push. Push. Just waking up those muscles, getting ready to grab our weights. Push it back right here, palms back. Keep your core tight. You've got it. 4, 3, palms face down. Last set. Take it down. Down. Push your shoulders down. Engage your lats. Last 2 and 1. Big stretch. Good. Inhale all the way up. Other way. Big stretch to the left. Good. Bring it up. Bring this feet under your hips. Knees lift. Up. Down. Up. Down. So you're using your core to lift here. Good. In and down. We're here. 2. We're gonna speed it up. Face those palms and push. Up. Up. Lift. Lift. Exhale. Exhale. Little march in place. Warming up through the core, through the shoulders. Full body work. Push. Push. Exhale. Exhale. Here for 4. 3. You got it, y'all. 2. On 1. Hold it at the top. Push. Good. Roll the shoulders back one more time. Grab onto your weights. And we are going to head into a little upper body focus. Starting with our feet just slightly wider than your hips. Bend through your knees. Engage your low abs. Drop the weights. Palms face in front. We're going to find that curl. Up and down. Just curl and curl. Inhale and exhale. Good, you guys. I'm working with 5-pound weights. So if you're working heavier and it's a bit fast, you can slow this movement down. Just listen to what your body needs today. We're gonna add a shoulder press overhead. So curl, in, push, in, and drop. That's it. Go curl, push, in, and drop. Squeeze. Shoulders stay down, away from your ears. We're gonna keep the arms moving. We're gonna add a little balance challenge if you'd like. Right knee comes up, push. Other side, up. If you lose the balance, you're human. Just keep trying. You can always take it as a tap to warm up those stabilizers in your hips. Push. That's it, y'all. Curl, push, in, drop. We're here for 2. You got it. Last one here. Little change. And 1, drop those weights. Drop those arms. Take your feet wide and then shift over towards the left side of your space. Hinge onto that right leg. Drop the weights down. Abs are tight. We row, narrow, row. Drop, row, and drop. So again, we're pushing into the heel of that right foot. And now we're working into that upper back. Those lats, just squeeze and drop. Squeeze and drop. So you're warming up your lower body as we burn into the back. Upper body work. Pull, press. Hold the next one at the top. Little pulses up. Take it up. Up. Pulse, pulse. Whew. Are you breathing? We're here. 8. We have 6. You got it. In 4, 3, we're gonna come through center. And 1, just squat. Down, lift, down, lift. Finding that wide row this time. Think of sending your elbows back, down, back. Don't let your ribs open at the top. Keep your core engaged as you lift. Think, inhale, exhale, squeeze. Down, press. Good, here for 4, here for 3. We're going back into our narrow rows. 2 and 1. Coming up that left leg. Bend the knee, hinge forward, palms in. We row up, down, up, down. Again, those weights are coming near your hips. Pull and press. Find that exhale as you lift. Exhale. Squeeze. And squeeze. You got it, y'all. Give me 4, 3, 2. Hold at the top, little pulses up, take it up. Up. Squeeze. Squeeze a little tighter if you can. Pull into the midline. Engage your core. We have 8, 6, you've got it. 4, 3, 2, come to center. Bring the elbows out. Little circle. Out, out. So where you finish just your upper body focus. Carving out through those shoulders, through those biceps. Keep breathing, y'all. We're gonna head to the ground. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful, I lied. Bring your feet a little wider. Just find a squat with those weights. Pushing into your heels, let your toes float off the ground. Down and up, down and up. Sink and squeeze. Good. We're heading to the ground after this portion of glute work. Sink, squeeze. Inhale, exhale. You are strong. You are resilient. Give me 2 more, full range. I want you to hold at the bottom. Take a pulse at the bottom. Pulse, pulse. Down, down. Good, bring those weights out of your chest. Elbows are wide, squeeze the chest. Push the weights together, stay low. Heels are pushing into your mat for 4, 3, good. On 1, drop your weights. Come on down to a kneeling position, you guys. You're gonna take your hands under your shoulders. Take your right leg extended straight behind you. The hips are squared to the ground. Engage the core. Float that leg up. You have 4 little pulses. Up, 2, 3, 4. Elbows are gonna bend. For 2, press up. For 2, so it's a full body work here. 3, 2, 1. Lower for 2. Lift for 2. Let's go. Sink it down. And up. Keeping our core engaged. Woo! Down. Up. 4 more sets. Take it up. Up. You got it. Up. Up. Sink it low. Press to lift. 2 more sets. Try not to arch that lower back. Keep everything in alignment. 1 more time. Sink to lower. To lift. Hold it here. Just pulse that heel. Up. Up. Lift and lift. You got it, y'all. 4, 3. Turn that toe out. You're gonna slide the knee forward. And you're gonna kick, kick, kick it back. Slide forward 2. Press it back for 2. Exhale. Inhale. Finding that full extension. Inner thigh shines to the ground. Give me 4. Push. Give me 3. And push. You're here for 2. Big push. Last one. Now hold that leg on the diagonal. Little pulses up just height. 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, drop the knee down. Roll out your wrists. We're heading into side 2 right away. Extend the left leg out. Square your hips. 4 lifts. 4, 3, 2, 1. Elbows bend for 2. Press lift for 2. It's slow for a reason. I really want you to keep your form, your spine long, your core tight. Keep breathing. Up. 2, 3, 4. Sink for 2. Press for 2. Up, up. So strong, so fierce. Lower and lift. We've got it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Exhale. 4, Sink it down. Press it up. 2 more sets. Woo! We got it, y'all. Down and press. Last one here with that upper body. So close to your finish line. Hold it at the top, just with the leg up. Up. That song is gonna change, you guys. We're gonna finish out this left side of work. Stay with me. Lift, lift, up and up. You're here. 4, 3, 2, on 1. Rotate your toes open. Slide that knee forward for 2. Press for 2. Forward and push. Inner thigh shines to the ground. Exhale and inhale. Full extension through that left leg all the way out your heel. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Give me 2 more. Big push. Last one, y'all. Come on. Holding that leg on the diagonal nice and straight. Just lift to finish. 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop that leg. Quickly roll out your wrist, you guys. We're gonna finish with a quick little core burst. Grab your weights and head onto your backs. Woo! Start with your legs at a 90-degree bend. We're gonna take our weights, press them up right over your shoulder blades, starting with just your legs moving. Tuck your hips under, back is flat, right leg is gonna extend, hover, pull back into 90, left leg out, hover, into 90, push, squeeze, trying to keep your back connected to your mat, big push, and squeeze, push. Really good for your deep core muscles, strengthening your midline from the inside out. Option to add an arm, left arm, right leg, reaches, pull back to center, switch. So opposite arm as opposite leg, pull. You're gonna feel that, incorporate your upper abs, big reach, and squeeze. Good, give me 8, 7, 6. Using your exhale as everything draws into the midline. So inhale, lengthen, exhale, squeeze. Lengthen, exhale, squeeze. One more time, each side. Last one here. Good, hold it at the top, press your weights together, little curl, up, release, curl, up, release. Get those legs together at that 90-degree bend, curl, release, lift, drop, lift, drop. Good, give me 2 more. Hold those shoulders to hover, pulse, up, up. Option to take the legs straight if that feels good for you. Reaching for those toes. Good, hold those shoulders up, extend the arms and legs away. Exhale, come back to in. Open it up. Exhale, bring it in. Big open. Close. Keeping those shoulders hovering if you can. If you need to slow it down, you can as well. Inhale. Exhale. Give me 2 more. Last one. Hold it up. Little curl to finish. Curl. Curl. Lift. Lift. Get a little higher if you can, you guys. Finish strong. Finish proud. Good. We're here for 4, 3, 2. Hold it 1. Good. Sit your weights down. Pull your knees into your chest. Take a little hug. Just rock side to side, feeling the length through your spine. We're gonna rock and roll ourselves up and then flip into a downward facing dog. So palms into the mat, tuck your toes, hips go up, drop those heels down. Little press right heel down, little press left heel down. Press right heel, press left heel. Both heels go down. Feeling length through your spine, length through the backs of those legs. Shake your head no, shake your head yes. Start to walk your hands back towards your feet. Soft bend through your knees, roll through your vertebrae until you reach the top. Good. Inhale with me right here. Exhale, let it go. One more time. Inhale up. And release. Roll the shoulders back and give yourself a round of applause, you guys. Hope you enjoyed today's workout. If you did, let me know in those comments, and we will see you back next time.